Alright, let me just start by saying that I'm fed up. I think I've had enough already. And this video is about the S24 Ultra. And you might wonder like, alright, you want to show us a video about the S24 Ultra, but yet you're showing us the S23 Ultra? Well, it's for a reason. This here is indeed my S23 Ultra, which is now the undoubtful legend. And I'm using the S24 Ultra to shoot this video. What you can see here on the screen of my S23 Ultra is a photo of the S24 Ultra. Inside, where the display is nice and vivid, and you can see what is going on. So guys, long story short, I went outside having a coffee, alright, this happened. And it's so annoying. The moment I started having my coffee moment at the balcony, this really happened. Crazy, right? Because remember, when I got the phone February this year, it was okay until the first update. Then there were a lot of complaints, display and graininess and this and that and not being vivid, and then Samsung changed something and I'm not sure what they did. This really happened, and no, I don't use any kind of restrictions from Google Guardians and etc. This really happened. So I was so annoyed that I had to deal with this, and you can see the problem. It's not visible. So I was so annoyed, I grabbed my S23 Ultra, guys, with the exact same screenshot, drinking my exact same coffee on the balcony, and it was so much better. This really drew me crazy, so much better with everything. Some people did not believe me because I had to send this to some guys just like, hey, what is going on here? And they told me, oh, you know, you're not using the full brightness now, it's impossible. But it is impossible, so I even went inside the setting, made sure that I'm using the max, and I'm also using adaptive brightness, and yes, I'm also using the extra brightness. This is really so bad, guys. And besides me complaining in this video, I want to ask you, if you have an S24 Ultra, do you get the same? Just 2 minutes outside, nice and shiny day, and the screen being illuminated, the phone gets very hot, and the screen of course dims just by browsing something like Telegram or X, or just not doing anything. So, as you can tell, my voice is really getting like this high pitch. Yes, this means I'm frustrated. For some reason, the S23 Ultra doesn't have this issue, and these are the two photos taken apart seconds. S24 Ultra, S23 Ultra. So let me know, guys, if you have the S24 Ultra and you go outside under the direct sunshine, does this happen? And by the way, it's already October, so we have something like 18 Celsius outside. It's not even like 40 degrees, guys. Really frustrating, not sure what is going on. Is this my unit? I don't think so, because other people also complained. After the first update for the S24 Ultra, this is it, we're stuck with this. Let me please know if your phone is doing this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, VST over and bye.